Coming up, we make a start on wiring up the boat ready for our new lithium batteries to arrive. Welcome aboard. If you're new here, we're Chris, Kelly, Olivia May and Orla J, a family of 4 chasing a dream, learning as we go. In August 23, we brought our new to us boat with no sailing experience. In June 24, we moved on board to save as much money as possible. Here we're documenting the highs and the lows as we learn to sail and prepare our floating home for a life of adventure, and we can't wait to share it all with you.
Yep. Negative into there.
Yep.
Into shunt.
Yep.
Into that one.
Yep.
Or does it go the other way?
I think you needed, because you were talking about putting the solar in, wasn't you?
Yes. See, on the solar on these ones.
Yeah. Onto the batteries.
Onto the batteries.
Yeah, probably.
They're going there. They're onto the system side of the shunt.
Okay, so that's good to know. So that's answered one of your questions, wasn't it? So that all goes on the system side as we
So,
started, yeah.
so if that goes battery there, the only thing that will connect into this is batteries into the shunt.
Yes.
And then that one,
Yep.
shunt there,
Yep.
that one that side,
Yep.
which means you've got 4 coming off going to here,
Yep.
and then the other 4 are spare for
Putting the solar.
solars on, because obviously that's only one solar at the, well, 2 panels at the moment.
Yes.
But then there'll be wind generator
Yes.
and solar array when we ever get it.
Yep.
There and 2 off there, yeah?
Yeah, type
Because
thing.
we can double them up onto there, can't we?
Yep, yep.
Double up.
Yep.
So one of them won't be used.
Yeah.
Chunky off there,
Yep.
onto there,
Onto the solar.
and then another one
And you got another bit of chunky
onto one of them,
Yep. Yep, that's it.
and then all of these onto them.
Yep.
Why is it black both ends?
Same piece of wire.
No, I know, but I can feel it in the heat of it. That's what I'm saying. Why does it have to go on the wall?
Room.
Oh. Does it matter that it's upside down?
Mm-hmm.
As in the writing's upside down?
No, what the I think the barcode's on the bottom.
Well, maybe video that or photograph that to get that. So what are they? Fuses?
Fuses.
And then
Positive into a switch. Negative. Chunky negative into shunt. Two switches.
it's very big.
Just like got that over.
And what do the tops do? Not just protect it, they do stop it short circuiting.
Short circuit.
See, I do listen.
I've got a feeling they might be a bit big.
What, long?
Yeah, but I ain't got no more of these. The other way I could do it is, I've just measured, I'm just fucking thinking all that though, aren't I?
Stop swearing.
Yeah. That can go there.
What do they go into, them wires?
The shunt. They will sit there. They will sit there.
And the shunt is what we can't do until we've got the batteries and we're connecting it.
That's connected to the old system.
Which is keeping us going until the new batteries are here. Can they all touch it? What do you want? Just like, can you touch?
Can touch, but I'd never get the cable, I'd never get the cover off. So technically you need
A bit of a gap. Get your fingers in and is that just a pretend shunt? Because the shunt is this thing here, yeah? No? In there.
Yeah.
So the shunt is down here. And we can't disconnect it until we've got the batteries and ready. Are you going to give up?
I don't know.
Doesn't look like it.
We'll know by however long this piece of cable is.
So how much have you ordered?
14 metres there.
Can I let go now?
Yeah.
And how long would you say that is?
Hold it.
I thought you was going to guess. Hang on, that's not straight.
This is 3 metres, so that's 12.
Wow.
12 metres just of that.
Yeah.
And then I've got 2 metres to do everything else.
In there.
Yeah, all that.
So we're going to need more.
Because I've got 12 there to there.
How
And
many do
then
you need? 3 for that, or did you say?
4.
4. Yeah.
That's 12 metres. So I've got 12 metres to them two. And then I've got to go batteries into them 4 times. 8 times.
And how many metres would you say that is there?
You're talking about half a metre.
That's 2 metres. In just...
Which is all of it.
But then I assume you're going to still need more.
And then I need...
Because you've got to run it.
So, if I need 8, because I need 4 for each battery.
Yeah.
That's 2 metres. That's if it's half a metre each. That's 2. That's your 14. So that's everything gone. Then I need from there to there.
Yeah.
4 times, which you're talking a metre.
What, in total, or 4
Yeah,
times?
in total, a metre. Then you're talking there to there. You're talking another metre.
That's 14 metres. Is that, yeah, are we on 14 metres now? No, we've already used 14, haven't we?
14, so then you're talking 16 at least. And then I've got to go there. I've done that one, I've done that one. That's it. So I probably need another 2 or 3 metres, which is, that's not bad. It's better than...
why has the layout had to change?
Because the wires are too thick, they won't bend enough.
So the switches have had to move
Further away from the fuses so that I can get the wires in better.
Has anything else got to move, do you think? Or
Maybe
whatever.
that.
What about the fuses? Will they be alright where they are?
Hopefully. They might have to move up to them too.
Has the shunt got to move slightly as well, because that is where that switches?
That's going there, yeah. So that's got to move further over.
Does the cover fit over the top of that end one?
That?
Yeah.
Yeah.
In the next episode, me and the girls go to fetch the new batteries. Chris and Bruno go to fit them, only to find we have one really big problem. Thank you for watching. Join us on Patreon, where you can get additional content available only to Patreons, early access to our videos, and added to a WhatsApp group where you can chat to us and ask us anything. We're also on Coffee, where you could send the girls an ice cream if you wanted to.